How to fix GTA San Andreas crashing. So let's get started. Firstly, run GTA in compatibility mode. Find gta.exe file if you bought the remastered game from Steam. Locate Steam library and right click on GTA and select properties. Then select local files followed by browse. After that, right click on the game and select properties. Then select the compatibility section and choose run this program in compatibility mode for, and then select Windows ME/98. Compatibility mode is a mode in which an application either emulates an earlier version of the software or mimics another operating system to avoid compatibility issues. Now the another fix is update your graphics driver. Simply open Device Manager, go to the display adapter section and expand it. Now select your graphics card, right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, hit next and wait for the process to complete. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.